In today's video, I am going to show you a very simple strategy that you can use to start making money online with CPA marketing. You can use this strategy to make up to $100, $200, even $300 a day with CPA marketing. And for those who are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing. So if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the link in the description. It's going to take you to this page right here. And it doesn't matter if you are a beginner or you've never made a dime online. This CPA course is going to give you everything you need to start making money in passive income. So without out of the way, let's jump right into today's video. All right, so the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to go over to Instagram. So I'm going to be taking an Instagram account here as an example of this method. As you can see, this account right here, this is a make money niche Instagram account. All right, and if we click on this link right here, as you can see, it's going to bring you to this page. You can see this person hosted about 4 links on one page. So I'm going to show you how you can use this same strategy to make money with CPA marketing. All right, so now you want to create your own Instagram account. All right, and you want to make sure it's also in the make money online niche. So once you have your Instagram account created in this niche, you want to make sure you give it a name similar to make money online, or you can get creative and give it a name related to make money online. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to head over to this website right here. It's absolutely free to join. You don't need to pay. So once you have your account created, like I said, it's a very easy registration process. It's nothing complicated at all. So once you have your account created, it's going to look like this. So the first thing you want to do from here is you want to click on this add new link right here, and then you want to type in step 1, and then you want to open a bracket and type in follow this account. I know this is not making sense right now, but I promise if you stick to the end of this video, everything is going to be crystal clear. Remember, like I said, you want to make sure you create an account similar to this one right here on Instagram, and all you just need to do is you want to copy your Instagram link, all right, and you want to paste in your link right here. All right, as you can see, so once you've pasted your link right here, all you need to do is click on this add new link. All right, so once you click on that, you can see right here on this preview, it says step 1, follow this account. So as you can see right here, this is what your landing page is going to look like when anyone visits the page. And now the next thing you want to do is you want to type in step 2. All right, so once you type in this right here, you want to type in step 2. You want to type in like this post. So basically you want to create a post on your Instagram account, and all you just need to do is grab a link to any of your posts on Instagram. So you don't need to make many posts. All you just need to make is a single post, something like this. So you can basically grab a post from other Instagram accounts in the make money online niche, and you want to post it on your Instagram account as well, but make sure you give them credit. All right, so once you have that post on your Instagram account, all you need to do is go back to Linktree right here, and then you want to paste in the link right here. Okay, like I said, step 1 is to follow your Instagram account. Step 2 is for them to like your post. All right, so you want to basically drag this right here and paste it at the top, and then you want to drag this second one and paste it in the middle. All right, so basically if they come to your page, all they need to do is follow you and like one of your posts. And then the final thing, this is where you are going to be making money. All right, so now you are going to type in step 3, and then you want to type in enter giveaway. So once you do this, then you want to head over to your CPA Grip account or your OG Ads account, whatever CPA network you're working with, and then you want to go over to the content locker section. All right, so all you just need to do is click on create a new content locker. All right, and then you want to give it a name. So I'm just going to say give it, and this strategy applies to CPA Grip as well, or whatever CPA network that you are using. All right, and then you want to come over to this section that says redirect URL. You want to click on this, locker will be removed. Okay, and then you want to come to this advanced section. So once you come over to this advanced section, you want to basically choose the number of offers that you want your visitors to complete. All right, so this is basically up to you. You can choose any amount of offers that you want them to complete. So you want to go over to this mobile specific, since most people using Instagram are using it from their mobile device. So basically what you want to choose from here is you want to go over to this section that says CPA. All right, you want to choose this option that says CPA plus pin submit, then CPI. So once you do that, you are going to see a lot of giveaway offers here that they can apply for. All right, so once you write that, then you want to come to this section that says locked content, and you want to type in enter any giveaway below. All right, so you want to basically type in something simple like this, and then you want to click on this unlocking. Unlocking will allow access to the premium content. You want to remove this, it's not required. So basically all you just need to do is type in enter any giveaway below. All right, as you can see right here, win an Amazon gift card, be the first to get Samsung S22. All right, get 750 Cash App account for free. All right, so basically this is how you get people to complete these offers. And then once they do that, once they complete this offer, they stand a chance to win these giveaway offers and you make money. All right, so basically all they need to do in this offer, they don't need to purchase anything. All they need to do is submit their emails to enter this giveaway offer, and you will be credited in your CPA account. Like I said, the process is exactly the same for CPA Grip or any CPA network. All right, so once you have that, all you just need to do is click on create locker. All right, so once I click on action, all I just need to do is click on view details, and then you are going to grab your CPA link right here. All right, you can choose any of the domain here that you prefer. So you can choose any of the domains. So I'm just going to copy this one right here and then go back to Linktree and then paste in the link right here. So basically, and then you click on add link again, and then you want to remove this one. So you want to delete this one, is not necessary. As you can see here, we have 3 steps right here. Okay, so once they click on follow your Instagram account, they like a post, so it's going to look legit. And once they enter this giveaway, like I said, you will be credited in your CPA account and you will make money. So now all you just need to do once this is created is you want to click on this share button. So once you click on the share button, all you need to do is copy this link right here. All right, so if I go to another tab and paste in this link, all right, as you can see right here, you can see these are 3 steps. So if I click on this first one, you can see it brings us to this Instagram account. So all they need to do is follow this account. And if I click on step 2, all they need to do is like this post. And if they click on this 3rd step, it's going to take them to the content locker, just like I showed you here. So I just realized I didn't type in step 3. So I just have to basically go back here and type in and edit this and type in step 3. All right, now we have step 3. So if I refresh this page again, all right, as you can see, step 1, follow this account. Step 2, like this post. Step 3, enter giveaway. All right, so basically that is all you need to do. And then you want to grab this link, like I said, and you want to paste it in the bio of your Instagram account. So now the next thing you need to do to drive traffic is basically coming over to follow the followers of Make Money Online niche. After leaving the link in your bio, you want to follow the followers of this type of accounts. So once you follow a lot of these guys, most of them are going to check your profile, and if they click on your link, they are going to be brought to this page and they would enter this giveaway. All right, so the second traffic source you can use is basically coming over to Facebook, and you can see there are a lot of giveaway groups. As you can see right here, free or giveaway stuff. So basically all you just need to do is post in these groups. You found an Instagram account that is doing a giveaway. So basically once you do that, you are going to drive even more traffic to this page, and the more traffic you get on this page, the more conversions you get. As you can see, these groups have thousands of members. All right, so you can join a lot of this group and you can post a link to this page right here. So that brings us to the end of this video, and if you find any value, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.